Hi, this is Thundy from Booredatwork.com, and I'll be taking a look at Bing map navigation with the Bing app on Windows mobile phones. Now, this is a beta app, which means, of course, it's adding a few things and it will improve. Now, once you open up the app, you notice a search bar option as well as a voice search, which has an icon on top and says speak at the bottom. You do have 6 other pre-search options for movies, local, traffic, directions, map, and favorites. So your favorites, you can save favorite location, restaurants, and things like that. Heading to menu, you can go back into your maps and traffic, local, which takes you into all your local categories. So you can check for local movies, weather, news, and this will use your GPS to tag your location. Back to the menu again, bring it home. Top news, same as local, gives you a whole list of news options. So it would be US news, local news, business, so on and so forth. And then, of course, you can get directions, recents, and favorites, hidden recents and favorites. This is now tiered to the map feature. Favorites, I have not added any favorites, and I have a couple of recents here. I can a couple of places I wanted to go to, different addresses I've been to. Those are places that I have listed. And once I hit those, that actually sends me straight into a search option. So of course that's search for Newgrounds, and I can go back to Bing Home. Now let's go into Bing Maps. So hitting the maps, this actually now show you my present location because I have the location sensor up. At the bottom of the map, you have a couple of icons. That on the far left is your location. That is your home search. So go back into maps again. This is the car sign is for direction, and you can zoom in and out of the maps. You hit the menu. That takes you out here. You can go back into maps, show traffic, aerial view, clear map, full screen, add a pin to a location. So add a pin, and that stays. I can also do, I can select that. I can add it to my favorite. So I add that pin to my favorites. I'm going to add it to favorite and call location 2. So if you go back to menu and you go to Bing Home, as we had favorites before, my application 2 is now a favorite. It's very simple, very easy. So let's head back. Traffic shows traffic within the area. You can see it's a Saturday I'm recording, so there's probably not much traffic around. If I do location tagging, that's, like I said, since it's a weekend, traffic isn't that bad. Head back to the menu. You can go through the settings. Settings have auto suggestions, GPS tracking, your GPS device, safety, search filter, so for explicit content. Your navigation, you can set it to avoid traffic, fastest route, shortest route, avoid tolls, and voice guidance. You can turn that on and off. Now, let's head back out. We can actually we're actually going to go outside, myself and Snatchatch, and we're going to actually do a test of the navigation system itself of the of Bing Maps. So we'll see how that is, and you guys let us know what you think. So let's go outside and check that out. All right, I'm here with Snatchatch, designated driver, as I test out the Bing Maps navigation, see how it works. So let's go for a ride. Location is set and on. Hold up a second, Snatchatch. We still haven't put in our location yet. So I'm gonna head to New Balance. See if, recent and favorites. No favorites. I do have a recent. I have New Balance here, so I'm gonna check for New Balance in my area. Get some shoes, something snazzy.
You need to dress snazzy, man.
Yeah, but New Balance is really not the way to go.
We'll see if there's a polo store around here, man. Maybe that's the way you need to go.
Okay, so found New Balance. Get directions from Brighton. From location, navigate. Searching for GPS. Fastest route avoiding traffic. This does take us a little time. Alright, GPS is on. Let's go.
Does it give me turn-by-turn directions so I can figure out where we're heading?
Yes, it should. Right now it just says depart to Elliott Street. So let's see if it starts giving us proper directions and telling us where to go.
Right or left?
Oh, I did, again, my foolishness. It's on mute, I think. Okay, sounds on.
Turn to right?
Yeah, take a right. It says take a right, but for some reason the voice navigation hasn't kicked in.
300 feet, turn left onto Water Street.
Okay. Pretty sharp. I wouldn't have expected it to take us here, but quite sensible.
Considering this is the way you'd normally come this way, yes.
Yes, exactly.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Normanton Road.
You can see it also pulls up the diagonal direction, so it actually points to the direction you need to turn, whether right or left, bare left, and you know it just pulls it up directly on the screen, so it's big and loud in your face, so you don't get lost, which is a good thing, especially if you don't know where you're going to. But I mean, we do, but this is actually not bad.
In 1.2 miles, road name changes to North Beacon Street.
So far, so good. It's quite impressive.
Does it bring up the miles per hour that we're traveling?
Currently, it doesn't. It tells you, it shows you your distance, and it shows you your present distance from your next turning point. So,
Okay, I just wanted to make sure that we were going to stay legal on whatever speeds that we happen to be traveling.
right now on the screen, you can see it shows you your next turning point. Sorry, that screen just went blank for a second, and it gives you your time to next turn, or your final destination, as well as the distance to your next turning point and your present distance from. And you can zoom in to the map and zoom out, that kind of thing. But currently he's doing a good job. See if I can rotate the screen. Seems I can't rotate the screen. If I hit the menu while I do this, I can tweak my voice card in. Sorry for the bumpy video.
The roads in Massachusetts are wonderful.
Yes, they are. They're quite bad. So it says 5 minutes to location. So you're probably going to see a time jump in this video, just because we're just driving and driving.
How long before my next turn?
Well, 4 minutes location. We.
In 600 feet, keep straight onto US 20 East, North Beacon Street.
She answered your question.
Yes, she did. Yes, she did.
You can also.
In a quarter mile, keep right to stay on US 20 East, North Beacon Street.
You can also pull up traffic routes and things like that. Let's see how this. Well, want to see how this the Bing Maps quickly reroutes, instead of us most likely taking it right, which is going to tell us let's just go straight.
Okay.
Yeah, and we'll see how it works with rerouting itself if we take a different route, since we know where we are going.
I hope.
Yes, we definitely hope.
So it's going to put me taking a right here. I'm going to head straight.
It should, because I could be very wrong.
Prepare to stay to the right.
So go straight. So we've now decided to fool the map, and let's see how quick it tends to reroute. Nothing yet.
Rerouting.
Okay, it's calculating.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Market Street.
So I'll say it takes about, 10 seconds tops?
15.
Yeah, 10, 15 to reroute. Not bad. Could be a little faster, but
Prepare to turn right.
especially if you're lost in the boonies or something,
Yeah.
It can be very helpful in the middle of Maine or, you know,
Yeah, but I know I'm going to Maine.
South Dakota or something. Who knows? But yeah, so far so good. And we're now taking the new route it's given us from our little excursion.
Detour, if you will.
Yes, detour. Details, minor details.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Guest Street.
Okay, Guest Street is our final destination. And we are almost there. We're at a traffic light. Let's see. Of course, Snatch Hatch has been driving very responsibly.
Always am. I'm always responsible when I'm behind the wheel.
In 300 feet, arrive at New Balance Athletic Shoeing.
Alright, there you have it. So that is a quick use of the Google Bing Maps navigation.
Arrive at New Balance Athletic Shoeing.
Thank you very much, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. We've come back from our nice little road test with the Bing Maps. So you can see it worked very well. It was easy to use. You could actually also use the voice search, which I didn't do just because I figured that might take some time. But you can use the voice search to search for a location and immediately navigate to that location. So it's very nice, very easy to use. I like the turn-by-turn direction. I like the fact that it popped out on screen and showed you had to turn left, and it kept on telling you that. I also like the fact that the voice prompts are also very quick, very continuous, so you knew where you were going to, especially if you're driving in an area you've never been to before. Rerouting was very good. It took a little longer than I expected, about maybe 10 to 12 seconds in total. But in all, it was very good. It's a very good app, and I love to see more improvements. But again, it's fantastic. Again, so if you have any questions, any comments, let us know. Post it on our pages, on the website, Booredatwork, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page, our Facebook page, our Twitter page, as well as our hit us up on Google Buzz. So this is Thunder E from Booredatwork saying thank you and always enjoy entertainment.